right now I'm looking at the results of a blood test that I took. I actually have a genetic reason that I've had, what is it, up to 3 blood clots so far, 2 in my leg and 1 in my lungs over the course of like a 7-year span. It's this genetic mutation called prothrombin G20210A. And it's this mutation in which the prothrombin gene, I guess it's a gene that's associated with your body's ability to form clots. It's this prothrombin gene where guanine, G, is replaced by adenine at position 2010. Kind of brings me back to high school chemistry class a little bit. If you have this mutation, you can either have one copy of the mutation, which comes from one of your parents, which makes you, I think, 2 to 3 times more likely than the average person to have blood clotting issues. Or you can have 2 copies, one from each of your parents. It makes you like 10 to 20 times more likely to have blood clotting issues. Every time I've gone into the hospital to get checked for a blood clot, the nurses that have helped me have said something along the lines of, you know, being surprised that I'm there, or that I probably won't have a blood clot because, you know, I look too young and I look too healthy. But it turns out there's actually a genetic reason for it. If you have a blood clot and it's your first one, maybe ask for, I don't know what the test is called, but like ask for a genetic test. I had one way back in 2017, did not know that it was a genetic thing that was happening. And then when I had another one last year now in 2024 is when I found out that it's in my genes, it runs in my blood. So had I known that back in 2017, I would probably have taken extra precaution to be safe when traveling, when sitting in a car, sitting at my office desk for long periods of time. If you're worried about a blood clot, to take them very seriously and to ask your doctor and maybe dig a little deeper into the reasons why you had one in the first place.